Hey guys, welcome back to once again my channel. I hope you like it, my video and my channel. Crocheting a baby frog in different color combinations, choose your favorite colors, create a classic and elegant look for our general guide to get you started, and choose a pattern. Look for a crochet pattern for a baby frog that includes colors, different colors for your personal choice, like white, red. Color option, you can find pattern online or in crochet books. In short, the pattern suit your skill level and preference. And crochet on in different colors, choosing soft and baby friendly options. You will also need a crochet hook for your selected yarn weight, and like scissors and any additional embellishment you resource. Different styles and different ideas. So I hope you like it, my video crocheting baby frocks. And if you are feeling creative, consider adding your own touches to the dress. So like this video, share this video, take care. Hey guys.